Friday powder porn for Jed Scott. Scott's Hot Rods, Kansas. Check out his YouTube channel. He's a great guy. A lot of fun. Down home, earthy. Tells it like it is. And yeah, I'm giving him some sexual healing here with Marvin Gaye in the background. Courtesy of 95.1 FM, by the way, in West Tennessee. It is public radio, so don't claim any rights on this because it's BS. In fact, there's the radio playing up there, see?
And Marvin's dead.
Yep, and Marvin's dead, so whatever. Anyway, back to the porn. Commando valve covers for his yard dart. Sarah coated the fins after serious straightening and polishing. They were the worst infected that have ever crossed my bench, but they look a lot better now. Working some before pictures with this too, so you can see what started with. But anyway, there's the porn. Check out Jed's channel, Scott's Hot Rods. And if you need your own powder porn, call me, Leanna The CudaChick, Phoenix Specialty Coatings in Tennessee. Check out my channel too. I don't have as many followers as Jed does, but maybe you could see your way on over. Thanks for checking it out. Mwah.